Hi guys, we're back. Here's my station. Anyways, today I'm going to show you how to paint a very famous cartoon. There is a movie with this one as well out there, and it's really good. If you haven't watched it yet, I recommend for you to watch it. We're gonna do Venom. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any requests for future painting, just send a message below.
Okay, I use this canvas fabric. We found this in Hobby Lobby, and I will be just using mainly the blues, some greens and blue gray paints for this one. Some blacks and white. I'm using some filbert brush. If you don't have filbert brush, I think any brush would work. And just doing the background first. So I have the blue turquoise or turquoise blue from Liquitex Basic. And then I have abstract turquoise. Just blend them together. And then I added some green. That's the lime green. I have a new lime green and it's really nice to use. And I didn't really like it, but you'll see that I will paint over it later on, and just mix with your titanium white to blend some of those harshness of the color. Depends on what vibrance and the intensity of the color you like and want. So I didn't want it too blue, so I added some of the titanium white. By the way, I sketched my Venom first and then just added all the background, surrounding background. If you want to do the background first, you can, and then sketch the Venom when the background is dry. You can do that too. But I didn't want to waste some paint in the center area where my Venom is. So you can either or, whatever choice you do, it will work. So don't worry about um, which one would you want to do. Also, you don't have to use the same color background I used. Mainly I like blues. Also, blue is really great in a black subject. Since we're doing a black subject, that's why I choose the blue, aside from me liking blue. So if you want a different color, go ahead and choose a different color for your background. Um, that will work as well. By the way, if you haven't watched Venom yet, I suggest you go ahead and watch it. It's a really good movie. I highly recommend it. I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it though. But yeah, try watching it. I think it's in Netflix. Yeah, if I remember it right, rent it. If it's not on Netflix, it's in Amazon Prime Videos. I'm pretty sure it's one of those. But yeah, I'm just touching up all this background. Some of the areas are not fully painted, so touching it up, and then we can start doing our Venom. As you can see, there's a sketch already in there. I use a pencil. You can use a chalk if you want, but or a gray paint will work as well. So just keep doing your black part and fill it out. So that's pretty much your first layer. So the tongue will, you can use black and cadmium red. And for the highlights, you can use the light cadmium red and orange and some in it. Later on, you'll see what I'm talking about. But that's pretty much the first layer. And then these are the second layer added with the highlights on the tongue and also the teeth. The eye part, it's pretty much using the gray and the titanium white. Also add your saliva on the teeth part. You can see this if you have a reference photo. I use a reference photo to do this. So those are just thin layer of titanium white for the saliva section. And just highlight your tongue. That's pretty much it. It's not really that hard, so I'm hoping you would try this one and you will enjoy doing this. So just make sure where your light section is, especially the tongue, the bottom of the tongue is darker and the top of the tongue is the lighter one. Um, Make sure you have your shading as well really nicely. And this is pretty much it. It's really simple. It's just a black and white and red pretty much for the subject itself. So not hard. And then just a stroke of those teeth. Stroking of the teeth. So that's our Venom and I hope you enjoy it. So this one is a gift for my daughter's birthday last month. And she loves Venom as well as I do. So hopefully if you know somebody that likes Venom, this is a and give it as a gift. So if you have questions, just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And I have a link in the description below if you would like to buy some of my artwork. You can also follow me in Facebook or Instagram if you want. But again, thank you so much for your time and joining me on this tutorial. I hope to see you again next time. You all have a blessed day. Goodbye.